Strap in, tire enthusiasts. The countdown to the best tires for Tesla Model Y starts now, and you're about to see how the right grip can transform every corner and commute. From all-season confidence to whisper-quiet highway cruising, this top 5 list has you covered with tires engineered for electric performance, efficiency, and comfort. Today, I'm going to be going over the best tires for Tesla Model Y that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Tesla Car Jack Kit. This compact, purpose-built kit is designed for Model Y owners who want a reliable lifting solution in the event of a tire change on the roadside. The jack uses a low-profile, high-strength mechanism that slides beneath the undercarriage without scraping, and the wide base helps resist tipping on uneven pavement. Finish is designed to resist rust and dirt, so it remains dependable through seasonal weather and routine road grime. The included accessories are chosen to maximize safety and ease of use. Firm, grip-friendly handle for leverage, a rubber-padded saddle to protect critical jacking points, and practical wheel chocks to prevent any unwanted movement while you work. The design respects Tesla's jacking points with clearly marked touchpoints you can locate quickly, which is crucial when you are dealing with a busy traffic lane or a dimly lit parking structure. For drivers, the most tangible benefit is the reduction in time and effort needed to lift a wheel and remove lug nuts in the correct sequence. This means less fiddling with levers and more focus on torque when reinstalling the wheel. You can perform a tire swap with confidence, knowing that the setup offers stable contact and predictable lifting height, and that the components are sized for the Model Y's weight distribution and chassis geometry. Portability is another strong suit. The kit tucks into a compact bag that fits in the trunk or frunk, so you do not sacrifice valuable cargo space on long trips. Hardware uses robust steel with a durable finish capable of resisting corrosion and road salt, and the design includes straightforward maintenance steps to keep leakage and wear at bay. The instructional materials emphasize best practices for safe operation, including how to center the load, how to avoid side-loading the jack, and how to secure the car after the wheel is mounted loosely to verify alignment before final tightening. In real-world scenarios, having a reliable jack kit reduces roadside downtime and minimizes the risk of bodywork damage when you are forced to improvise on the shoulder of a highway. For Model Y owners, this means a dependable tool that supports quick, safe tire service without requiring a second vehicle or waiting for roadside assistance. Compared to the modern compact spare tire kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this jack kit emphasizes quick lift and on-vehicle compatibility over carrying a full spare, giving you a tool that can get you back on the road without. At number 4, we have the modern compact spare tire kit. This kit is engineered to deliver a compact, travel-friendly solution for Model Y owners who want to minimize cargo space while keeping the option of a tire replacement close at hand. The spare wheel is mounted in a space-saving configuration designed to fit the trunk's shallow compartments, so you still have room for groceries, charging cables, and emergency gear. The rim is built from a sturdy alloy with a protective coating to withstand curb impact and road debris, while the tire mounted on that wheel is sized to maintain a balanced feel on the road without demanding a full-size wheel swap. Storage is handled with a durable bag that keeps the wheel dust-free and easy to extract when you need it. The kit typically includes lug hardware, a jack-compatible listening point for wheel removal, and clear installation guidance that helps you avoid cross-threading the lug nuts. The benefit here is straightforward. You swap in a spare wheel quickly and safely, return to the road, and avoid the more complicated process of dealing with a collapsed tire or a run-flat scenario. The spare is designed to be compatible with Model Y lug patterns, so you do not need to improvise adapters or risk improper torque, which is essential for maintaining wheel integrity and braking performance after a change. A compact spare tire approach is particularly appealing for daily commuters, urban drivers, and travelers who want to preserve trunk space for passengers and gear. Modern spare kit is also a practical option for those who want a spare wheel that does not require immediate professional service after tire puncture. Compared to the Tesla Car Jack Kit, number 5 on this list, this compact spare tire kit provides a ready-to-swap wheel rather than a lifting tool, offering a direct replacement that reduces downtime and keeps you moving when a tire failure occurs. At number 3, we have the VINBYEE Tire Inflator Air Compressor. This is a portable solution built for on-the-spot tire care, from inflating a flat to adjusting pressures after a change to ensure even contact with the road. The unit is compact enough to stow in the door pocket or trunk, yet it delivers enough power to top up a low tire in minutes when you need it most. Key feature is the built-in pressure gauge and automatic shutoff when the target pressure is reached, which helps drivers avoid overinflation and reduces the risk of tire damage. The device is designed with a sturdy, heat-dissipating housing to keep performance steady during extended use, And the nozzle kit includes common adapters for bike tires, air cushions, and car tires, so you can handle a range of inflations without hunting for separate tools. The bright LED work light is a practical addition for low light conditions, making it easier to connect hoses, maintain a steady grip, and confirm settle pressure on a dark roadside. Build quality emphasizes durability with shields and grommets to protect the cord from fraying, and the unit is designed to resist dust and moisture in harsher environments. Maintenance is simple. Wipe down the housing after use, coil the hose neatly, and store it in a protective case. The inflator is particularly valuable for avoiding a full wheel removal when you detect a slow leak or a low pressure reading. You can bring the tire back to a safe operating pressure so you can reach a service center rather than risking a blowout on the highway. The VINBYEE inflator stands out for its affordability and convenience, offering a powerful upgrade to the roadside toolkit without occupying significant trunk space. Compared to the modern spare compact spare tire kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, this inflator offers on-site inflation capability and pressure control that complements a spare wheel rather than replacing the need for a wheel. At number 2, we have the Basenor Tesla model Y Mud Flaps. These mud guards are designed to shield the bodywork and paint from splash, spray, and debris kicked up by the wheels at highway speeds and rough terrain alike. The material choice emphasizes impact resistance and flexibility, so the flaps bend rather than crack under pressure, while a textured surface helps shed mud and water efficiently. The design is tailored for the Model YS fender geometry, with mounting points that align with factory holes and clips that minimize the risk of fatigue or rattling over time. Installation is straightforward for a DIY enthusiast. You typically secure the flaps behind the wheel wells using supplied fasteners, and the pieces are contoured to avoid blocking the stance or interfering with the tire's rotation. Functionally, mud flaps reduce cleaning burdens after muddy excursions, preserve the look of your wheels, and blunt the impact of spray that can reach doors and trim. The material can stand up to UV exposure, temperature swings, and the occasional brush with road debris, which matters for drivers who park outside and for those who live in climates with seasonal grit and salt. Aesthetic is also a plus, with a design language that complements the Tesla's modern lines while offering a subtle, rugged edge. Durability, fitment, and ease of maintenance all play into the value proposition here, especially for owners who want a longer-term external protection solution without frequent replacement. Basenor mud flaps emphasize exterior protection and longevity, providing a practical upgrade for daily drivers and long-haul travelers alike. Compared to the VINBYEE tire inflator air compressor, which I have included as number 3 on this list, these mud flaps focus on exterior armor rather than emergency repair capability, offering a shield that reduces the frequency of cleanup and the potential for paint chips during off-road or urban driving. At number 1, we have the modern spare compact spare tire. Its final position reflects a stage-ready, all-encompassing solution that prioritizes mobility, rapid recovery, and minimal downtime after a tire issue. The compact spare is engineered to fit into the Model YS trunk in a way that leaves room for everyday cargo, while still providing a genuine, road-ready wheel in minutes rather than hours. Wheel is paired with a tire designed to deliver steady handling and predictable response, so you can maintain confidence during highway driving, cornering, and lane changes after you mount the spare. Kit's storage philosophy emphasizes organization and access. A dedicated bag or compartment keeps the components clean and easy to extract, while a simple mounting sequence reduces confusion when you must act quickly in less than ideal conditions. Lug hardware is designed to thread cleanly with the vehicle's lug pattern, with torque guidance included so you do not under-tighten or over-tighten, which can compromise wheel security or tire seating. Spare tire option is especially valuable for travelers who anticipate long trips or remote segments of road, where immediate professional assistance is not guaranteed. The approach minimizes downtime by letting you drive to a service center or a tire shop without delay, ensuring you stay on schedule and avoid the cost of a tow for a simple puncture. Structural integrity of the kit, the ease of transport, and the compatibility with Model Y dimensions all combine to make this a highly practical choice for owners who want a straightforward, dependable solution. It also serves as a practical fallback for families that travel with children or pets, where each minute saved on the roadside enhances safety and comfort. Compared to the Basenor Tesla Model Y mud flaps, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the spare tire kit provides mobility and actual wheel replacement ability rather than exterior protection and aesthetic improvements, ensuring you can get back on the road with confidence even when you encounter a tire puncture far from service centers.